Hey guys, Ryan over at Commuter Cars and Trucks, South Florida's #1 used truck superstore. We've got this beautiful 2013 GMC Denali diesel truck, Z71 4x4. Beautiful truck. It's got a custom lift on it, rough country suspension all the way through. It's got beautiful Toyo open countries with the hostile 20-inch off-road wheels. This truck is just so nice, so clean, that shiny black. It's got the wheel flare guards on it, the oversized exhaust, the bed cover, beautiful painted step bumper on it, big tow hitch on it. This truck is super fine. We've got AMP power running boards. It's a Denali, so it's got every whistle, every bell you can think of. Air conditioned seats, heated seats, perforated seats, power moonroof, rear entertainment, DVD, navigation, wood trim. This one has it all. 4-wheel drive, on the fly, WeatherTech floor mats. This truck is a stand-up all the way around, as nice as they come. Call us today at 772-675-6775. We are Commuter Cars and Trucks. To be the best, you got to beat the rest.